we're in the city right now, we're posting up these posters, we're connecting agriculture to art and to music. This could be a music poster right here, but it's not. It's about agriculture, and that's really exciting. We wanted to make some beautiful imagery that could kind of speak to everyone, you know. It has so much potential, this movement. It is a new movement, and it is an avant-garde movement. This is actually an art project that I did when I was at art school, and I got all this dead soil, and I took it up, and it was literally like a rock. So it was so dead, so dense. And I put it in this chicken wire cage, because when you put fertilizers on the soil, you kill the microbes in the soil, right? You're killing the kind of bacteria that is stimulating and kind of expediting the process of photosynthesis. So industrial agriculture is this cage that soil is kind of trapped inside, and we're saying SOS, save our soil. You let nature do its thing, you don't kind of interrupt it, and you have beautiful, nutritious plants growing.
And when you finish, walk away.